Hey guys, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Got a quick video for you today showing a repair we did on the quarter panel of this BMW 428i. So you can see there's about a quarter to 50-cent piece size dent in the quarter panel between the tail light and the fuel door. Instead of taking the tail light out to complete this repair, we're actually going to open the trunk, and if you look inside here, there's a panel on the right hand side that we can remove and gain access to the back side of the sheet metal that way. All we have to do is be mindful of all of the wires and fuses that are inside here. As you can see, we pull this little flap down and there's the back side of the metal right there. So as we start slowly shaping the dent back up from the inside, we're just keeping an eye on that reflection, watching how the metal reacts as we're applying pressure to the back side where the dent is located. Sometimes you'll notice little high spots that have to be knocked back down flat. So basically it's just a combination of pushing up the low spots, tapping down the high spots until you get the metal back to its original shape. Okay guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. Shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can click the link in the description below to go to our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. Okay guys, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to click the link below and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos regularly and we'd love to have you on board. You'll get all of our notifications when we upload new material. Again guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.